Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you and telling you the recipe that I always use for chocolate cake. It's super yummy and it's one of my favorite cakes. Let's start. I have to tell you that all the ingredients and the measurements are down below in the description. If you don't know, what am I saying? So the first thing we have to add to our bowl is the water. 1 cup of water. And then we can add 1 cup of melted butter or 1 cup of oil. You can use any of them. I used the 1 cup of oil. Now we're going to add the sugar. 1 cup of sugar and a half. Now I'm adding the milk powder, 2 tablespoons of milk powder. And now I'm adding the cocoa powder, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And I'm adding a pinch of vanilla powder and mix everything together. Now, after I mix everything, I have 2 bowls. I'm going to move some of the batter I have to a smaller bowl, and that I'm going to use for the sauce, but the rest I'm going to be adding to it eggs, 4 eggs. Now I'm going to add another pinch of vanilla powder. And then mix everything together again. Now I'm going to have another bowl for my dry ingredients. I'm going to add in it 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm going to add it gradually while I mix. After I mix everything together, I'm going to have a pan. I'm going to grease it with oil or butter and add to it flour so the cake doesn't stick to the pan. And then I'm going to add all the batter inside of the pan. This part is so satisfying. After I added everything to the pan, I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to tell you for how much and what is the temperature in the description box below. After my cake is in the oven, I'm going to work on my chocolate sauce. It's going to be so yummy. It makes the cake much better. So now we're going to add the cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then I'm going to add the powdered milk. I'm going to mix with a fork so it doesn't get clumpy. After I mix the sauce, I am taking out my cake out of the oven. It looks so good, don't you think? Now I'm going to cut it and then add my sauce on top. Now I'm adding the sauce. Look, it's so yummy. After I add all the sauce, I'm cutting it and putting it into my plate. It looks so yummy. So good. Try it, and if you try it, take a picture of it and post it on Instagram, and make sure to tag me or send it to me, and you'll get a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!